All right, today is Monday and we are getting ready to take a little road trip for a few days. We're gonna head down to Subic. It's Hannah Grace's birthday coming up tomorrow and she likes to swim, so we're gonna head down there. We're staying at the Wild Orchid Inn and they got a big, huge, massive pool so she can sit there and swim. And then I think the next day we're heading up to Pundakit. Gonna do some island hopping and swimming up there. But anyways, Luis's brother's at the store and he's gonna hold down the fort for a couple days. But yeah, that's what we're gonna be doing for the next couple days. Just relaxing and chilling and taking it easy for a few days and celebrating Hannah Grace's birthday. The big 10. She is no longer gonna be in single digits. She is hitting the ripe old age where she's in double digits, so that's what we're gonna be doing. All right, Hannah Grace, open up your early birthday present. What is it, Hannah Grace?
She don't know yet.
She don't know yet?
Oh!
What is it, Hannah Grace?
She don't know what it is. Goggles!
All right. Yay. I think you're gonna need them today.
Yay!
Color purple.
Is that your favorite color? Yeah. Are you gonna try them on?
Wow!
Pwede mo i-adjust.
Pwede pa na-adjust.
All right, try them on, H.
So what? Excited.
I think they're upside down.
Upside down?
They're upside down, Hannah Grace. No, they're right. The TRL. You have to take that plastic, that TYR off. Wow. Congratulations, Hannah Grace. You got some goggles to go swimming today. All right, we're down at Subic right now, and we're eating at this restaurant here. We've eaten here before. I think it's pretty cool. It kind of reminds you of like an old 50s style restaurant, you know, back in the United States. But anyways, let me show you it here. I think it's pretty cool. The place is called Hot Shots. They do breakfast, lunch, and dinner here. Like I said, it's cool looking. Reminds you of an old style 50s diner. When I look at it, I think of Happy Days. The TV show Happy Days with Fonzie and Richie and Joni and Potsy and Ralph. I grew up watching that show. But yeah, I think it's cool. We'll go in, we'll check it out. I don't know how much I can film in here because they play music in here, and of course, you know, I gotta watch what music is being played. But like I said, it's right here in Subic. They do like burgers, and that's kind of like their specialty. So let's go in here and I'll show you more of it. There it is, Hot Shots. Sit outside here if you want. Live music every Fridays. I'll go ahead and check it out quick. But yeah, kind of just reminds you of an old 50s style diner. Checkered floor and everything. That's the grill area back there. If you're ever down here, make sure to check it out. I mean, we ate here before and the burgers are pretty good. Better than some of the other burgers I've ever eaten. So, got two areas to sit. I think over here they do the live music right here. But yeah, they got another seating area over here. So, anyways, We're gonna enjoy a delicious burger. All right, guys, here is the room. Wanted to show you it real quick before we dirty it up with all our luggage and all our food we're gonna eat. But very nice room. Has a mini bar here. And of course it comes stocked with some things that you have to pay for. I think the woman said 2 free bottles of water per day. Here's the closet area. Hang your clothes up. Nice closet. Nice big room. King size bed. We just got a regular room. Deluxe, I think it was, for 2 nights. Little table there. Flat screen TV. Bathroom here with the sliding door. Toilet. Simple toilet. Let me see. Probably a hot water. More than likely hot water. Yeah, they have hot water here. They don't have a tank, but it's just built in. And then, yeah, you got your mirrors and your sink. You got Lut with her chum chum. But here it is, guys. There's Hannah Grace. All excited. Her last day of being 9, single digits. She is moving into 10. But anyways, that's the room, guys. Check this pool out. This whole pool area here. It's just super nice. It's a big, big pool they have here. Hannah Grace loves to swim, and she is gonna swim. This is a massive pool. Got a couple little jacuzzis over there. A little windy, a little cloudy. I think it was like 90 degrees today in the car, so it is warm. But you can see, I mean, it's a big pool. This is the Wild Orchid Resort. Living the dream. That's their slogan. Got a picnic table or picnic areas you can sit. They have pool rooms. You can request a pool room or a poolside room. I checked in on them. Of course, they're a little bit more expensive, but yeah, they have the poolside rooms. And then out that back gate there is a walking area. And you got vendors back in there trying to sell you stuff. But yeah, you see it. I mean, it's big and it's nice. We are going to go swimming. Hannah Grace is already in. There's the fish. There's the fish. Hannah Grace. There's the fish. Guys, how do I look? I look like I'm ready for the Olympics. This is Lut's hairpiece. She actually bought it in the United States and we brought it here. So I'm ready for the Olympics. I'm ready for an Olympic swimming event. Here's H. Here's H. Here's Lut. Lut, where are you going?
Swimming.
Swimming? All right.
Wait.
right, everyone, we are having dinner at Blue Rock tonight. I don't want to walk around in there and shove the camera in people's faces, but there's where we're having dinner tonight. We've come down here in the past for breakfast and stuff, and we've eaten here before, and we really like Blue Rock. Their food is excellent, and that's where we're having dinner tonight. But I figured since I'm out here, I'll show you the beach here. Baloy, is this Baloy Beach, I think they call this. Right out there is the floating bar. Let's see if I can zoom in on it. There's the floating bar. Lut and I have gone out there in the past and hung out up there, out there during the day, and had a few drinks, and you know, just swam and just chilled out there. But we're not going to do that tonight. We got Henna Grace. But yeah, this is Baloy Beach, and it's got a nice breeze. It's overcast tonight, but they got a lot of things going on here. And here are my dates for tonight. Lut and Henna Grace. Yes. Henna Grace, you look very tired. Are you tired? She's hungry? You're hungry? Yeah. That's a lot of swimming you did. So when Henna Grace swims, it's all body, because she's too short to touch the bottom of the pool, so she's got to kick with her legs and everything. So she burns up a lot of energy just swimming. The only time she takes a break is when she comes to the wall or grabs a hold of me or Lut, but it's all body strength. She was in the pool, what, like 4 hours? A good 4 hours, except for when she came out to get a drink. But this is my lovely dates for the evening. You guys, this is what Lut comes to Blue Rock for, the oysters. She loves the oysters. I'm not a big oyster fan, but Lut, she's in heaven right now. She's got her oysters, and she's got a nice cold beer. Dig in, Lut. Dig in, Lut. Lut is grabbing some mangoes. These are green mangoes, right, Lut? They're not the sweet kind. And they're 50 pesos each, or 3 for 100. Yeah. You know, these little vendors down through here. Always trying to sell you something. Of course you pay a little bit more, but you know, look where you're at. You're in a tourist area, and you know, they gotta make a few extra bucks too. So here's a little sorry store. A little bit of everything. Floaties for the kids, and swimsuits and dresses, and well, everything else that you see at a sorry store. Bikinis, flip-flops. Some of them have food. There's another little one right here. She sells food in there. There's one here, that's just straight food. No, there's a little store in there too, so. Another little store. But Lut is grabbing some green mangoes to munch on later on. I'm not a fan of the green mango, but Lut likes them, and Henna Grace likes them. Alright guys, we are back in the room now. We are gonna chill. They're eating the mangoes already, and tomorrow's a big day. Tomorrow is Henna Grace's birthday, 10 years old. Yeah, Henna Grace, what are you gonna say, anything? Are you tired of being 9? She said she's tired of being 9, so. Anyways, tomorrow we are going to go to Mabalacat. Try to do some island hopping up there, swim in the ocean. It's a beautiful place. We were there, I don't know, probably 4 years ago, Lut and I. So that's where we're heading tomorrow. Anyways, guys, tomorrow is another day, and the journey continues, and we'll see you then.